Hello. Today is special review. Christmas special podcast, episode 4 online, Christmas special, Tree of Life. Today movie Tree of Life online. Christmas special is very special. Tree of Life is new move by Terrence Malick. It's very polarizing among critics. It's very polarizing. So I'm gonna read some reviews. Thankfully, it's beautifully shot, and the random mishmash of volcanoes and underwater vents would make a great nature doc on their own. Mike Ward. But Marianne Johnson says, Tree of Life? Tree of sanctimonious mopey male egotism disguised as a search for meaning, more like, says Marianne Johnson from Flick Philosopher. There is no plot, only a stream of images following two boys through their childhood and also flashback to the creation of the Earth, says IMDb Reviews. The whole movie turns around the guy and his relation with his father and the burden of his brother's death, says Eva Brick. Rated PG-13, opening in May 2011. One of the most pretentious pieces of pseudo-intellectual garbage I've seen. Online reviews. In uncanny ways, the central events of Tree of Life reflect a time and place I lived in, and the boys in it are me. Says my favorite review, Roger Ebert, Chicago. It sure has some visual dazzle, but Malik, no good director you ain't. Says online IMDb com review. Movie? Maybe. Art? Maybe. Pretentious? Absolutely. Says Lisa Schwartzbaum, Entertainment Weekly. Entertained. And yet there is so much artistic ambition here. So much truth. Truth is everywhere in this movie. Truth is everywhere. Says Rex, New York Observer. The Tree of Life wants to be a panorama of the infinitive universe of life, death. It ends up being a panorama of boredom. Also, Mr. Decay from Friends. This is certainly unlike any movie that I can think of, and it is the reason I was sure I will study for course to year. Author, my favorite reviewer, Roger Ebert from Chicago, USA. It clearly ain't for everyone, but if you can be patient and you want to encounter the movie with its sensory experience. DVD reviews. It's great special features DVDs. Malik thinks he's an artist, and that's his problem. Catherine Carr, 7 Pictures. I am sure that The Tree of Life is a film for multiple rewatches. Eddie Face. Instead of this, says Tom Long, Detroit News, I suggest you guys rent The Fontaine because it has far better photography and much nicer story. I love it because I felt a sense of being quiet afterward. Thank you so much for this film. Tom Long, Detroit News. Hypnotic, mesmerizing, moving, Malik masterpiece. Bill Goody Coons, Arizona Republic, top critique. It's top critique. It's not a thriller, not an action blockbuster, not a formula plotline. It's a cinema, it's at highest level. Claudia Pig, USA Today. On the third viewing, everything makes sense. Form, drama, rhythm, and image are the products of one of the greatest film directors who has ever worked. Lou Limerick, New York Post. I watched it thrice in 2 days. Ali bin Ashraf from Israel, but it should have been titled The Tree of Death, because that's where I wanted to hang myself from when I left the theater. Anthony Lane, New York newspaper. Don't hire it, or even consider recommending it to anyone. Poor, rubbish, I want to go outside and scream at my neighbors in frustration. Todd McCarthy, New York Reporter. Malik's direction style is like a more artistic Michael Bay in many ways. truly groundbreaking cinema despite its flaws. Richard Roper, richardroper.com. I give Tree of Life 6 stars out of 10 stars.